Hello everybody, happy St. Patty's Day. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Alicia, lover of makeup and glam rock. Now as you can see, I got my green going on here. And then this one is the OPI nail polish. It does have a green tint to it, like when you really look at it, but it's a lot bluer than I was expecting. But that's alright, I like it. Alright, enough talking about Green Day. Let's get straight to the video. The votes are in. Thank you all who participated. Every Saturday I like to post 2 products into my Instagram story and you get a chance to vote. Let's talk about the products and see which one was your favorite. The first product that I posted was the Koko by Kylie Cosmetics. It is the color Gorg. It is cruelty free. Looks like this. The pigment is supposed to be very intense for an intense, bold look. It is a matte liquid lipstick, long wearing and moisturizing for your lips. And because it has moisturizer, it's supposed to be giving you silky lips and not drying out. Okay, we're going to try this product now. I did already prep my lips with Carmex chapstick, I believe it is. It's a yellow one here. Just something I got from CVS. I like to prep my lips all the time. You could just have any lip balm. And the color here. It does come out nice and liquidy at first, but then it'll dry up. The next product I have is Saraya Jade Cosmetics matte liquid lipstick called Lydia. It's vegan and paraben free and gluten free and I believe imported as well. It does say it's a liquid lip cream, but it does dry matte and can be found either on hottopics.com or the Saraya Jade Cosmetics website. Okay, so this one we're going to try and we're going to put it on our top lip here. Here we go. This color is so pretty. Okay, we're gonna let the lips dry, and as we do that, I like to talk about the people. The first one, I believe you all know, it's Kylie Jenner. She is pretty famous. You could probably get these items in Ulta, I believe, and also her website as well. And she has a sister, I forgot her name, Chloe, right? This is her, I guess, partnership line with Chloe. It's called Koko. She's got some matte lipsticks there. And then for the other line, this one is called Saraya Jade, and the owner of that, or the celebrity promoting it, is the wrestler Paige from WWE. So she's pretty popular too. She's actually on her own reality show as well. Besides, you know, Kylie came from the Kardashians, and then she comes from a show called Total Divas, and she does this like, you know, fighting, you know, the wrestling. So she's got her own line as well. I believe she has like a bunch of eyeshadows and highlights, palettes at Hot Topic or the website, like I said before. So we let them dry. Feeling pretty good. I do like how they both feel. I do have to say the Saraya Jade feels a little bit more moisturizing than the Kylie. It's like still got a little, I don't know if it's still a little more wet or if it's just a little more moisturizing to the lips than the Kylie one. But it is nice colors. Alright. Gotta stop looking at myself and I better talk about the voting that you guys want to know, right? You know, come on, that's why you come here. You want to know who is top notch in the cosmetic world. Alright, I'll post it. So we have here, oh, there it is. Alright, so the winner is Saraya Jade with 60% and Kylie Cosmetics got 40%. Congratulations, Saraya Jade. That's all for this video today. Unfortunately, we don't have any features because everyone who's commenting is saying hi to me and love your video, and thank you so much for all that. Really, I appreciate it. It was the Fenty Beauty and Pat McGrath mascara. So just comment below, tell me why you like those two, tell me why you like Saraya Jade or Kylie Cosmetics, and you will be featured in my next video. I'll post a beautiful comment right here or there or there. Anywhere on my face if I have to. But thanks again for watching. Stay safe out there. Remember to wash your hands. Stay home if you really have to. I know I am. This has been my life for like the past week and a half, maybe. I would say about a week. Yeah. See you guys next week. Keep loving makeup and keep on rocking.